morning, April 22nd, day before Michigan turkey season opener. I'm walking out a little late, but we're gonna walk out here and we're gonna see what the birds are doing. I could hear them gobbling as soon as I got outside. Hear them gobbling from 800 yards away, so. Alright, so I've been sitting here for about, you hear them gobbling, about 10-15 minutes. I had 2 hens and 2 jakes and a younger tom. They got off the roost and they're strutting. They're making their way to the west right now. And I was getting kind of bummed out that there was only going to be jakes here, or small birds, but I got the big ones on the camera, so I'm using my phone right now. But I just heard off in the woods another gobble, so there's another bird still. See? You can hear him, so hopefully there's a big tom in there. I think there's see, it's that Jake's gobbling a lot, but it's definitely a tom gobbling back in that woods. I can tell by its gobble. So, the sun's coming up. Birds are chirping, turkeys are gobbling. I got deer walking around me. I'm excited. Tomorrow morning's opening morning, so.
Figured I saw the sticker. Morning there.
Morning. How's it going?
It's going pretty good.
It's hard to see.
Boy, that thing, I can't even see it. There's a floating trolling motor in it.
Hiding, huh?
Really?
Hiding.
It's about 7 o'clock. I haven't heard any birds gobble. I think I heard one faint gobble off in the distance. But no gobbles. I've done some walking. I haven't seen or heard any more. So I'm thinking they never roosted here last night. It started raining around 4:30 yesterday evening. So I'm thinking the rain held them down wherever they were feeding at for the afternoon. And they just stayed there. They didn't come back here. So probably gonna do some more walking and find a spot to sit, and we'll see if they come back here to feed, or if the sun shows, and maybe they'll come out into some fields and start eating. So I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. I was walking around and I stumbled upon 4 hens and a tom out in the field. So I'm set up probably 40 yards from the fence row. There are probably another 80 out there. The hens are just kind of feeding. This tom's just following them. He's not the biggest, but it's a nice bird. Still kind of iffy if I'd shoot him or not. I haven't got the best look at him. But the morning started off pretty quiet. I haven't heard a single gobble. This bird's been quiet. He's just following a group ahead, so maybe we can pull him out of the group, or maybe we'll get the group to come over here. We'll see what happens. Well, that's gonna do it for the morning hunt. It's 9:30. As you guys seen, had that group of 5 birds around me for probably 2 hours. Had a decent time in it. He wasn't the biggest, but they fed back to where they came from, where they roosted. I don't know where they roosted. It must have been pretty far away, because I never heard any gobble this morning. Not a single gobble this morning. So they either were just quiet or they roosted far away. I might go back out here, or I might go film for someone else. I don't know, but I will check back in with you guys then. Well, I'm filming on my phone because I'm kind of in a hurry here. It's 6 o'clock, 80 degrees out. It's really hot out. And I'm gonna walk back and see if I can find some birds before they roost. I just got home. I was looking and I seen a bird strutting with a hen out in the field. So I went over and see what he was doing. He went in the woods. So I'm gonna walk this field edge here, try to intercept him. I'm in short sleeve and jeans, but I got a little wall that'll protect me because it is hot. But I'm gonna try to get in front of these birds and intercept them and see if I can't kill him. Hoping it's Big Tom. I didn't really get a look at his beard, but he's a strutter, that's for sure. It's about 8 o'clock. I heard some gobbles off the roost. And I got in here to the woods. I get sat down and I look. And 75 yards from me, I thought it was a hen at first. Probably 30 feet off the ground in the tree. Really low in the tree. But it turned and I looked at it right in the sky. And it was that same bird from last night, that small Tom, 8-inch beard on him or so. He's 75 yards from me. I'm pretty sure he's seen me because he was looking skittish when he got down. He flew down into this field. Met up with 2 jakes and a couple of hens that roosted 200 yards west of me or so. And I managed to call them all in. I had them come by at, I think, like 35 yards. I drew a bead on the Tom, and I just didn't feel comfortable with the shot, and I figured if he came back in closer, I'd shoot him. But I mean, he's not a bad bird. I know there's a bigger bird out here, and I'm hoping I can find one. It's about 6:06. Just heard the first gobble of the morning. I'm actually at a different spot than I was the past 2 days. I'm sitting in a blind, looking over a field. I've had luck here in the past. It's the 25th, Monday. We don't have school today, so I figured I'd get out here in the morning at least and try to get it done. But yeah, he's gobbled twice in the past minute. So hopefully wakes more birds up and he gets over here, so let's hope it's a good morning. Well, it's about 7:50. Birds went quiet about an hour ago. I got a few gobbles here and there, but they sounded pretty far away. I just got out of the blind and walked around a little bit calling, and I got 2 birds to the south of me, about 400 yards to strike up, so they were responding back to me, so hopefully they got some interest and they come on over here, but haven't seen a single bird yet. Still a little early though, got a few hours, but we'll see what happens.